7 times x minus 3.
I got 1x minus
Say that one more time.
1x minus
1x minus negative 21. Now, what property did you use to solve? Very good. Now, when you use the distributive property, you multiply which two things first? When you use the distributive property, you multiply which two things first?
I use negative 7 times 2.
Very good. Now, you forgot one more thing though. When we distribute, what do we have to do?
You gotta multiply.
We have to multiply the x first. So, if I multiply the x first by 7, what am I going to get? Negative 7, negative 7x. Very good. So go ahead and tell me your answer. Tell me your answer again.
Negative 7x minus negative 2.
Very good. Negative 7x minus negative 21 or negative 7x plus 21. Next one, 1/3. 1/3 times 6x plus 9. Go ahead. 2x plus 3. Very good. How can you go ahead and tell us how you got that answer?
Then multiply 1/3 by 6, you keep the x. Then you multiply 1/3 by 9, you add the plus sign.
Very good. Next, we have 15 minus x minus 2. 15 minus x minus 2.
I got 15x minus
15x minus 30. All right, so what property did you use to solve this?
30.
So what operation did you use to solve this? How did you get 15x? You multiplied. Why did you multiply?
Because the x parentheses was going out by 1
Well, what operation do we have between our parentheses and our number? Minus. Therefore, what operation am I going to be doing? Not addition. What operation is this? Subtraction. So you're not going to multiply. Did anyone get anything different? Go ahead, Kia.
14x minus 30.
14x minus 30. Why did you get 14x?
Because you're supposed to subtract.
So we are going to subtract. However, since we're doing addition and subtraction, can we combine any terms here? Can I combine any terms here in addition and subtraction? Go ahead. 15 minus 2. Very good. And what am I going to get? Not 14. 13. Good. Can I combine this x with anything? Can I combine this x with anything? No, I can't. So what am I going to be left with?
15x minus 30.
We did 15x minus, we did 15 minus 2. That was I actually made a mistake on that. It would be 17 because we had 15 minus negative 2, which turns into 15 plus 2. That one's a little hard. We're going to go over how we solved that in class today. The next one, we are solving. We have 3x plus 2 equals 8. 3x plus 2 equals 8. Cache, what did you get for x?
What?
Yes. Help her out. What's the first step she's going to do, Miss Humble? What's the first step she's going to do?
Subtract 2 on both sides.
Very good, Cache. What's the first step you're going to do?
Subtract 2 by both sides.
Very good. When you subtract 2, what are you going to get?
I get 3x equals 6.
Very good. And what's your next step?
Oh, divide 6 by 3. Divide both sides by 3.
Very good. And what are you going to get?
2.
Your answer is 2. Very good. And Miss Humble, thank you for helping us out. Go ahead and do number 6.
Is that a subtract sign or negative?
It can be either. It's the subtraction side.
And 1/3 to both sides.
Very good. So you're going to add 1/3 to both sides to cancel it out on one side. When you have 9 plus 1/3. 9 plus 1/3, what are you going to get? Yours. We're going to come back to you, Miss Humble. Keep going. When I have 9 plus 1/3, Devontae, what am I going to get?
9.33.
9.33, can you give that to me as a fraction? Because we're dealing in fractions here. So 9.33 as a fraction, Kia. 9 and 1/3, very good. Now what am I going to do next? I have 9 and 1/3 is my x by itself. is my x by itself, Lachey. No, what do I need to do next? What do I need to do next? Who can help her out? I have 1/3 times x equals 9 1/3. What am I gonna do next? I'm going to divide. What am I going to divide by? Very good. And what are you gonna get? We should have had this done already. I'm going to divide 9 1/3. 3 and 1. Ooh, excuse me. No, actually, let's do this one out on the board. It's 28. How did we get 28? So we said the first, eyes up here. We said the first thing that we do is we add the 1/3. So Javante, remind me, you said when we add 1/3, what do we get?
9 and 1/3.
9 1/3.